Layer styles can be useful, or they can just make a layer look kind of cheesy. It all depends on which style we're using and in what way. Open layer.psd and let's resize whichever layer is in the top layer, it doesn't matter which one, by selecting the Move tool, making sure Show Transform Controls is selected up at the top, up in the options bar, and then click and drag on a corner to make it a little smaller so we can see the edge of this layer. Hold Shift to maintain proportion. Then press Enter or Return to apply that resize. Next, go to Layer, Layer Style, and select one of the styles to bring up the Layer Style menu. Alternatively, we can click on the new layer style icon on the bottom of the Layers panel. Some of these, such as Bevel and Emboss, can make your design look kind of corny and not as professional. Oftentimes simpler is better. However, this is an effective way to add a stroke or border to a layer, whether it's inside or outside, whether it's an inside or outside stroke. Check the checkbox next to a style to apply it, and click the name to adjust its options. We can adjust the size of the stroke here as well as a few other options. There are a lot of other styles to check out here, including inner and drop shadow, inner and outer glow. We can overlay a layer with the color. And adjust its blending mode. And same goes for gradient and pattern. So we can come up with some pretty cool effects. That wraps up this section on layers, including layer blending modes, adjustment layers, and layer styles. In the next section, we'll go over how to make selections in Photoshop and when we would use certain methods to select pixels in order to adjust or edit them.